Hello, this is Pamela here, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Today we are learning a stitch. This is called the ball stitch. How to crochet the ball stitch. And so you're going to have your balls on one row, a single crochet, and then your balls on another row, single crochet. So let's go ahead and get started on this beauty. I think it's just gorgeous. It will definitely make your project pop. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I am using a full weight yarn and a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn size you want, any hook size you want. And if you're new to crocheting, you may want to use the recommended hook size that's on your yarn band. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is a multiple of 4. So to start off, we're going to do a slip knot. So just wrap the yarn around your finger, pull the loop off your finger, take your working strand yarn and make a loop through that loop that you just took off your finger, insert your yarn and pull to tighten. Okay, so we're going to do a multiple of 4. So yarn over and pull through the loop and just keep doing that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we're going to do it again. 2, 3, and 4. That's 16. I'm going to go to 20. So 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is our sample. So you may want to work the sample before you actually start working a project to make sure everything comes out the way you want. Okay, so for row 1, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So we're going to skip this first chain right here. We're going to single crochet in this chain. So you just insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So we're going to do that all the way down this chain. Insert your hook, grab the yarn to pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. So that's 2, and you just keep repeating this all the way down the chain. Okay, I will meet you when you get to the end of your chain. Okay, I'm on my last chain. Okay, so for my sample, I have 19 single crochets. Okay, so for row 2, we're going to chain 1, going to turn our work, and we're going to skip this first stitch right here, and we're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So skip the first stitch and work 1 and 2 single crochets. Okay, so now we're going to do a half double crochet 4 together in this next stitch right here. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That was 1. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. That was 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's 3. 1 more. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's 4 times. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all, I believe there's 9 loops, but pull through all the loops. Now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, and 3. And you noticed it caused that to pop out on the other side. Pretty cool, isn't it? So we're going to do the 4 half double crochets together in the next stitch right here. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. And one more time. yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. That was 4 times. Let's see if there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 loops. So yarn over and pull through all 9 loops. Okay, now single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And you noticed they're both popping out. Pretty cool. Now another 4 half double crochets in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Now single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. The next 3 stitches. Okay, that was 1, 2, and 3. Now 4 half double crochets together in this stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and pull through all 9 loops. Now we're going to single crochet in the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, turn your work. So that was row 2. So for row 3, we're going to single crochet all the way across. So we're going to skip this first stitch, and we're going to single crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the top of the cluster ball, and then single crochet in the next 3. It's 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the top of the cluster ball, 1, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the top of the cluster ball, and just keep repeating that all the way across. One, 2, and then your last single crochet will be in the top of that turning chain. Okay, chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, so that was row 3. So row 4, we're going to skip this first stitch, and we're going to half double crochet in the very next stitch. The half double crochet 4 together in the very next stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And go through all the loops. Now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, and 3. 4 half double crochets together in the next stitch, and you'll notice that these are going to be off-centered. I'll show you in the next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And go through all 9 loops, and then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? The balls are going to be off-centered in between each ball, in other words. Okay, 4 half double crochets together in the next stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Half double crochet 4 together in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Half double crochet 4 together in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, our last single crochet is going to be in the top of that turning chain. Okay, chain 1 and turn your work. That was row 4. So for row 5, you're going to single crochet all the way across again. So you're going to repeat row 3 for row 5. So skip that first stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Don't forget to single crochet on top of your clusters. And each time you do your single crochet rows, you should always have the same amount of stitches. Like I had 18 when I did row 3 the first time, and then I'm doing row 3 again, and I should have 18 single crochets. So don't forget to single crochet in the top of your turning chain. Okay, and then now my turning chain. Okay, so that was row 5. So your repeat rows are going to be rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just keep repeating rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's all there is to it. It's nice and simple. And your bobbles will always be off-centered, like this right here. So that was row 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's all and you keep doing that. And a little tip that helps me, sometimes when I was doing that, sometimes I was like, well, was that cluster row 4 or row 2? And what will help you is that these got to be off-centered, in case you get kind of lost like I did between row 2 and 4. And anyway, that should help. I did my cluster right here. You don't want the balls to line up. You want it to be ball here, ball, 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 like that, off-centered from each other. Okay, that's it. You can do it. Just keep repeating rows 2 through 5, and you will have this beautiful little masterpiece like this. Lots of fun texture to this. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.